Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your go-to source for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Dacia Duster, the budget-friendly SUV that's shaking up the market with its rugged design, modern tech, and unbeatable value. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just looking for a practical daily driver, the new Duster has something for everyone. Dacia has built its reputation on affordability and reliability, and the 2025 Duster stays true to that legacy while stepping up its game in design and features. The exterior is more refined yet retains its tough, go-anywhere attitude. The front fascia sports a bold new grille with slim LED headlights, giving it a more modern and aggressive look. The sculpted body lines and prominent wheel arches enhance its SUV credentials, while higher trims now offer stylish 18-inch alloy wheels for an extra dose of rugged charm. Inside, the Duster has seen a major upgrade in comfort and technology. A new 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes standard, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The cabin features improved materials, better sound insulation, and a more spacious layout, making it a more comfortable ride for long journeys. Practicality remains a key focus, with clever storage solutions and a massive boot space that makes it perfect for families and adventurers alike. Under the hood, the 2025 Dacia Duster offers multiple powertrain options, including a 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine and a mild hybrid variant for better fuel efficiency. For those who need extra capability, the all-wheel drive model ensures solid performance on rough terrains. The Duster isn't about high-speed thrills, but with a refined suspension and improved handling, it delivers a smooth and stable drive both on and off the road. One of the biggest selling points of the Duster is its price. Starting at around €18,000, it remains one of the most affordable SUVs on the market, offering incredible value for money. With its rugged appeal, modern features, and unbeatable practicality, the 2025 Dacia Duster proves that you don't have to spend big to get a capable and stylish SUV. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Dacia Duster, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of the new Duster. See you in the next video on Auto Vibes.